In this video, let's look at how to manage pages in WordPress. Remember, a website is made up of pages. Without pages, you cannot create a website. So we have a tab here with a name pages. So I'm going to right click this, right click on it and open in a new tab. The reason why I open in a new tab is that so that I remain with a tab for dashboard, so that I don't need to go back looking for dashboard. Is accessibility and navigating through the website. So let me open this in a new tab. So the tab is loading here. Once it is done, you open this tab. The other one for dashboard is closed. So you come to this tab of pages. When you have just opened this website, this software, it has two default pages. It has privacy policy and then it has sample page. But I don't want these pages. I want to create my pages. So I'm going to first delete them. Click on this checkbox to select all pages, bulk actions, move to trash, and then apply. They will be removed. They will be removed even you go to trash and delete them completely. I will do the same, delete permanently and then apply. If you want to delete one by one, you will hover the mouse over the page name and then you will see delete. So this is the interface for the pages dashboard. Pages dashboard. Now we are going to add one page. What we add will appear here. That's why you're seeing no pages found in the trash. Even when I go to all, there are no pages. No pages found. So I'm going to right click on add a new page, because once I add a page, I want to come here and refresh to see the page I've added, whether it has come. I right click here and then open link in a new tab. It is loading here, as you can see. So I go to that tab, you will see this. Just click next, next, get started. That is very okay. So the interface is simple. Your page name, you type it there where you see the blinking cursor, but the page name should be brief, maximum of 2 words. For example, there are pages with the 2 words. For example, we have contact us. Those are 2 words. For instance, contact us. Don't exceed 2 words, because the page name you type here will appear in the website header. So just imagine that you have typed page name of 10 words. It will occupy the header, just 1 page. So that is not good. Always be brief. So when you're creating pages, start with the home page. Just type home, not add the word page. Then after typing home, come here where we have template and choose Elementor full width. Elementor full width, because we're going to use Elementor to create this website. So it has to appear or displayed. It has to be displayed in Elementor view. Then after that, we come here to publish. Publish, it means that you want to make this page public so that it can be viewed or displayed on the website. Click there, it will bring this. Are you ready to publish? Then you just click on publish if you are ready. Publish, and then give it a few seconds, it will be published. You will see this alert, page published. If you want to view it, no problem. And then you see here, home is now live. This is the address you can copy. But if you want to add another page, but before you add another page, let's first go back to this tab and see whether our page has been created. Just refresh. So we have home here. We have one page, and that is good. And then let's go back to this tab. We're going to create another page. Come here, add new page. That's why it is recommended to open some links in a new tab. Assume that you want to create 5 pages and you're using one tab. It means that you will go back. So which is not good and doesn't save time in an exam. So always open in a new tab. So follow and learn how to do this. So now the next page is about us. You also do the same. Implement a full width and then you publish. I expect you to use a maximum of 5 minutes to create these pages. Immediately, each website must have about us, must have home page, and then contact us. It is a must to have those pages. That one. So let me create another one. If it is a business dealing in services, we're going to create service page. Services, or you can say products. It depends. If it is a service business. That is good. Now I have them. So let me view these pages. What you do, come here, click there. This is what I've created. You see, these are the names of the pages I've created, but they are not in order. They are in ascending order. But I want this home to come here, followed by about, followed by services, and then lastly contact us. So these are the pages we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why I said that you have to be brief with the page name. So if I come here, pages tab, I refresh, you will see all the 4 pages I've created. So here you go. What if you want to delete a page because you have created it? If I want to delete a page, for example, I want to delete this one, services, I just hover the mouse there, come here, delete. Or trash, you click on trash, it will be removed, and then when you go to trash, you will find it there. But you can restore in case you have deleted it accidentally. Click on restore. Don't want to delete it, but you can delete permanent because the option is there. So I come here. Let me even publish it because now it is saved as a draft. So let me right click, open a new tab, publish it. Very well, it's now published. That's why you are seeing here published through, yet there are 4 pages. So if I refresh, you won't see this word draft. Now all my pages can be seen publicly. So that's how you can create pages. That's how you can delete pages. And then in our next video, I will show you how to organize this header, this menu, because I want home to come first, followed by about, followed by services, and then contact us, not in ascending order, but the way I want. So thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.